You guys want more power? I'll show you more power with this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back, and I hope you're having a great day, because I am. So a lot of you guys have been asking me over the past couple months, when are you gonna do some performance mods to your car? So today is the day. But if you've been following my channel, you know that I already did a custom exhaust on my car. And I also installed an aftermarket BMS intake with K&N Air Filter. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a tune on your Mercedes-Benz C250 1.8 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. So the tune that I got is from Berger Motorsports. I'll leave a link in the description below on where you can buy the tune itself. They ship worldwide. Unfortunately, they don't ship to California. So the tune is called the JB Plus tune. It's designed for 2011 to 2016 SLK 250s, 2012 to 2014 C250s, and 2013 to 2017 E250 sedans and wagons. Please note that this is a racing product for competition, closed course use only. This tune is supposed to give you instantaneous increase in power and torque. So I'm gonna read what the company put out. This will take your gasoline-powered C250 to the next level with a simple plug-and-play tuner. Increase torque and power across the power band, with the most noticeable increase coming from the lower RPM and throttle positions where you really need them. And yes, the C250 really needs it badly. In addition to adding power and torque, it reduces turbo lag and it improves throttle response. Again, something the C250 really needs. Gains are around 20 horsepower to the wheels, awesome, and about 40 foot-pounds of torque, great. And you'll see that around the 2,500 to 4,500 RPMs. And I'm gonna put up on the screen a quick dyno chart when BMS actually installed this on a C250 and ran it on a dyno. As you can see, the gains are awesome. I'm hoping that I can see the same results on my C250 when I install it. This is the tune right here. It's just one giant cable with a bunch of plugs and this little box. So this box right here actually controls the intensity of the tune. Right from the factory, when you buy this, it's set to 50% because it's designed to fit majority of SLKs, C-Class, and E-Wagons that's listed on the documentation that they provide. This will ultimately have to be adjusted to your vehicle. So at 50%, let's say my car doesn't respond well to it, or I get a check engine light, just disconnect the battery, open this up. There's two Phillips head screwdrivers that pops right out. There's a little switch inside, and you just have to tweak it down towards the minimum section that's listed inside. You have to tweak around with that until you find the sweet spot for your car. If you do not want this tune anymore, you have to uninstall this whole entire setup. You can't just turn it all the way down to minimum, because at lowest point, it still will give off some power to your vehicle. With that being said, let's get this installed in my car and let's test it out. So here's the tune laid out in my car. I can't stress this enough. When you're working on electrical components on your car, please disconnect your battery before you start. Don't want to start any fires or have any injuries or have your car burned down. So I'm going to start off by disconnecting my battery, and then we'll route this through the system. First thing we need to do is we need to find a ground for that cable. And I found the perfect spot, which is right there. There's a bunch of cables already grounded there, so that's a great grounding point. Okay, now that we have that box grounded and you follow this, the next is two plugs here, and these two plugs need to connect to that plug that's connected to your mass airflow. Okay, so we have the box grounded, we have the first plugs in, and now we have 2 left. So I'm gonna route these underneath here, underneath this tube, and it needs to go right there. So just to recap, the box is grounded, the first plug's installed, routed underneath here and here, and then these are plugged in. So we're good to go. I'm gonna put the cover back on, reinstall the battery, and give it a test drive. So I took the JB Tune box apart just to show you what it looks like. But if you can read it, right there's a min and a max, and you put a flathead screwdriver there. That's where you can tweak the intensity of the tune. Here we go. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, that first pull was good. You could feel the turbo spooling and just going. I'm at a stop. Okay, it's green. Throttle response is really good. Oh man, this is gonna get me in trouble. Okay, let me park real quick and talk to you about what just happened. So, as soon as I took off, all it did, I can feel as soon as I touched the throttle, the car responded, and then it just held the RPMs to almost 6,000. So my car just kept going and going. You definitely feel the low end torque increase and the throttle response increase, and also not that much turbo lag. So this is pretty good, and I didn't even have to adjust the JB Tune inside the box yet. So we'll see. I'm gonna drive around a little more and see what happens. Wow. Thought I'd tell you guys this, that I'm actually doing this whole test while I'm trying to deliver cupcakes to my mom's house, and one didn't survive, but the rest did, and they had a good time. So time to go to mom's. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. I definitely enjoyed installing this on my car, and I really love the benefits that it has to offer. Again, if you're interested in purchasing this tune, definitely check out the link below to Burger Motorsports. They offer a great product and at a great price. What more do you want? So if you liked the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.